In this video, I'll tell you how I went from 0 finished tracks in a year to 5 released tracks in 4 months, with more label deals lined up and tons of projects in the works. So, last year, I actually quit making music. It had been over a year since I'd created anything I was proud of, and it actually got to the point where just the thought of opening up my door depressed me because I knew how it would go. I'd dive into one of my endless unfinished projects, loop it on repeat, trying to scrape together some inspiration from somewhere, maybe make a couple of tweaks, get disillusioned, and then I was out of there. Over time, I fell into a rut and my motivation for creating music completely evaporated. Then I discovered generative AI, but like a lot of you, I'd heard about it and dabbled a bit, but I was not interested in creating whole tracks from a text prompt. For me, there's just no skill or fun in that. I wanted to bring my own ideas to life, and I love the process of making music, or at least I used to. If you're starting with only chords and a beat, and you're not sure where to take it, AI can generate endless ideas, lead ideas, bassline ideas, custom fills tailored to your projects, or even replacements for weak drums. It is actually like having a dream team of singers, musicians, drummers, and writers on call, ready for any genre, can be used in any DAW and at any point in your project. You're still the boss, the director, producer, engineer, song arranger, and AI is your ultimate creative partner. Some people see AI as this thing that replaces human creativity, but it is not like that at all. When you use it in the way I show you, it enhances it. And I cannot understate this enough, that collaborating with AI in this way is just so much fun. Like, it genuinely puts a smile on my face when I use it. I spent months testing every tool and technique to fit real workflows like yours. By the end of this masterclass, you'll crush writer's block for good, unlock endless inspiration, and level up your music productions. And here's my promise to you. You will make better music, or we'll give you your money back. So, if you're fed up with getting stuck, losing steam, plateauing your skills, or watching unfinished projects pile up, then join hundreds of others who have already taken the leap and are now much happier and successful producers. Here are 5 quick AI tips to beat writer's block right now. Start with a simple seed. Export a 4-bar chord progression from your DAW and feed it into your AI for instant variations that match the BPM and key of your project. Stuck for vocals? Paste rough lyrics or a description of your song into Suno and generate pro performances in any style, no singer needed. Tired of weak drums? Extract drum one-shots from AI-generated tracks and replace that weak kick with one that slaps. Simple prompts like house music, energetic synth hook get better results than using overcomplicated prompts. Always organize generations, label them and delete duds in Suno to keep your workflow fun and focused. These alone transformed my tracks, but there is so much more that you can do with these tools. Hey everyone, and welcome. Get ready to dive headfirst into the world of AI-assisted music production. In this course, we are not just scratching the surface, we are going to go deep, exploring cutting-edge techniques that will revolutionize your creative process and enable you to make tracks that will blow you away. Our focus, generative AI. This incredible technology lets you create music from scratch using nothing but your imagination and a few well-chosen words. Just type in a text prompt, describe the vibe, the instruments, the feeling, and AI will bring your vision to life. But we don't want to be generating whole tracks from a text prompt and calling it done. There really isn't any skill or enjoyment in that. And at the moment, the tracks it spits out, even though they are pretty damn good, are still not as good as professionally made ones. Now, if you're here, you probably already enjoy the music production process and being creative, and I promise you, AI is only going to enhance that. You get to choose how you use AI. So if you only want to use it once in a track when you hit an inspiration-shaped brick wall and then you go back to doing it solo, that is 100% possible. But if you want to use it more comprehensively and use it to generate vocals, drums, and other instrument parts, then you can do that too. It is infinitely flexible to your needs. In the coming lessons, I'll show you everything you need to be able to do this. First off, we're going to unlock the true power of generative AI in music production with audio seeds. What is a seed, I hear you ask? Well, think of a seed as a spark that ignites and directs the AI's creativity. You provide a short audio sample, a loop, a melody, even just a cool sound, along with a text prompt, and the AI uses it as a foundation to generate fresh, related ideas. Consistency in key and BPM. When you use a seed, the AI intelligently aligns its output to the BPM and key of the uploaded sample. This ensures cohesiveness across its generations. In contrast, generating music solely from text prompts can result in variations across keys and tempos, which will rarely align with your project. It's like creative comping on steroids. Imagine generating endless variations of melodies, bass lines, drum grooves, all perfectly aligned and in sync. It's like comping on a whole new level, allowing you to mix and match the best parts to craft your ultimate track, but across the entire arrangement. Cost effectiveness and ownership. One of the great things about generative AI tools is their affordability and flexibility. Many AI tools are subscription-based with costs as low as sort of £10 or $12 per month. That's literally just a few coffees. Most platforms allow you to cancel at any time, so you can subscribe only when you're actively using them. But of course, as this is subject to change, do be sure to research the pricing and terms and conditions before committing. As long as you're paying for the tool, the music you generate is entirely yours. You won't need to worry about royalties or licensing fees for musicians, making this an efficient and cost-effective option for creators. Again, you should always check the terms and conditions, but this should be the case for most platforms. This tutorial, as you may have noticed, does not come with any additional content. That is quite intentional. Rather than provide you with pre-made audio to experiment with, I encourage you to use and develop your own ideas. This approach allows you to truly experience the transformative power of these tools. Here are a couple of suggestions for those who need some inspiration. Use AI-generated ideas as the foundation. As you progress through the lessons, take one of the ideas you generate with AI and use it as the basis for a new track. This will help you understand how these tools can enhance your creative process. Secondly, you could revisit an unfinished project. So if you have a track that you've started but never completed, use that as your starting point. With AI, you can breathe new life into it, transforming it into a work of art you're proud of. Feel free to engage with this course in the way that suits you best. While you can follow along with your own ideas, you don't have to, and you're welcome to skip to specific lessons that align with your current interests or challenges. Generative AI is revolutionizing music production, giving you tools to experiment, iterate, and refine your ideas in ways that were never before possible. In the next lessons, we'll start diving deeper into how to use these tools effectively, turning your musical visions into reality. Get ready to unleash your creativity.